Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be hopefully a kind of relaxing video. I'm just having like a really nice relaxing night, doing a face mask, drinking some chamomile, watching some videos. I love the way that my room looks at night. Me and Gerald decided when we moved in that we wanted our room to be just like a really special place for like relaxation and to not have like a TV or anything very stimulating in our room. So we've really put a lot of effort into making it the most relaxing space possible. And I just wanted to show you guys because I'm really proud of it. Alright, so here's kind of an overview. My favorite part of my room at night is the canopy. That was one of like the #1 things I wanted to like DIY when we moved to the apartment, was I wanted like a Pinterest perfect canopy. Gerald likes when I make the bed because it's just nice to come home and your bed is made. It always looks lumpy though because we have so many pillows and stuff. That's my cuddle buddy. She's a Appaloosa. Her name's Dottie. We have like all different pillows and blankets and stuff. Like this is our body pillow, so we always like kind of fight over it. And I have like my own blanket, and sometimes he'll have his own blanket. And then when we go to sleep, we take like the pillow and the beast off the bed. This is Gerald's nightstand. This sleep lotion is so nice. It's from Bath and Body Works. This is, I think, coconut water, because it's nice to be hydrated before bed. Another one of my favorite things is our curtains. We went through such a struggle getting like the perfect blackout curtains because we have these underneath. I need it like really dark when I'm sleeping. So we went through so many struggles with like having a huge gap like in between here and there, and we didn't know which curtains to get. But then we got this like thing with a curved bar, so it like curves all the way around and doesn't let any of the light in. So when we got this, like, we got the best night's sleep ever when we first got these. Like, we hadn't been sleeping well up until we had these awesome curtains. My dad just brought the full-length mirror over to our apartment, so that's new. And on the day I got fired from the bank, my mom bought me this rug. It was on sale, so it was super reasonable, but it really brightened my day that she did that for me. These are my slippers, Jack Skellington. This little shelf I found at Goodwill, and my dad painted it gold for me. It used to be black, but it has this nice little crown on it. And then I have a pumpkin that we got for our engagement party, and this is the box that my engagement ring came in. I used to keep this in our living room, but I think it's nicer to keep it in our bedroom because it's so special, you know? I like to see it first thing. I like to hang some necklaces here. I just think it looks pretty. This Ariel we painted for Valentine's Day one year together. Just got some little flowers. Rapunzel jewelry box that sings I See the Light. And that's Ham from Toy Story. This mirror was another excellent Goodwill find at the same Goodwill where I got this. I did some reading about feng shui, and it did say that like having mirrors in your bedroom is not great because they have a chaotic energy, but like we have 3 mirrors. So I was nervous to bring in the full-length mirror because we already have 2, and like, yeah, our bedroom is our like relaxation sanctuary, so it's really important to me that that there are really good relaxing vibes in here. But we haven't had a problem so far since we got the big mirror. You know, like I know some people really believe in feng shui and some people don't, but I don't know, I guess I take it with a grain of salt, and it's been working for us so far to have the mirrors, so I'm okay with it. This is our favorite candle to light in our room. It's called Calming Waves. It's probably kind of hard to see. I have a little jewelry box. Another special picture of me and Gerald from Disney World. This treasure chest has all of our letters to each other from before we moved in together, like all throughout our relationship. Gerald kept them all in there. This is my Pandora bracelet. Here's a picture of Gerald and his mom, and me and Gerald. And then this is like a Himalayan salt candle holder. We don't light these a whole lot because we like our other candles, and this has a different scent. So we've been using that one lately, but probably after this one runs out, we'll start using that one. This is my nightstand, and I like to keep a lot of special things on here. Himalayan sea salt lamp, you know, that's another thing that people have mixed opinions about, but I just think it looks really beautiful, and just the light that it gives off makes me really happy, so I like to have it, whether or not it actually has like health benefits. This is my amethyst crystal. It helps me have more vivid dreams. Sometimes good dreams, sometimes bad dreams, but they're always crazy vivid, and I'm pretty sure it's because of that. My Auntie Chrissy gave me this years ago, and it's probably one of my favorite gifts I've ever received, honestly. And then this is from my friend Chelsea. It's a necklace, and it has these little stones inside it, and I don't remember what they were called, so I'll have to ask her and then put it in the description box. But she gave me this when my dog passed away last year. And it's, the stones are known to help like mourning and grieving. So I like to keep it by my bed because I'm always thinking about my puppy at night. This unicorn lamp my mom got me when we first moved into the apartment. And then this is my pup, my little guy. A sleepy picture of him. I used to love like snuggling him, and we'd watch TV together every night. I miss him so bad, so I like to kind of like look at his picture, and I used to always kiss him goodnight, so I like to just like kind of think like, you know, good night, I miss you, I love you. He was so cute. Look at those cheeks. I just want to kiss him and squeeze him. And I did a lot. And then speaking of my pup, ever since he's passed away, cherry blossoms have been like a big theme in my life, and I know that he sends me them every chance he gets, like from heaven. He is always like showing me cherry blossoms to let me know that he's still with me, because the last week we were together, the trees were flowering, and then right after he passed away, I just kept hearing like cherry blossoms, like everyone was talking about cherry blossoms, and I never hear that phrase. And then I found this at a Goodwill, and it's so beautiful. It just matches the room perfectly, and it has little cherry blossoms on it. So I use this to store my medication. I take antidepressants. I used to suffer from really bad anxiety and depression, and this medication literally saved my life. So I like to keep it in this pretty box because I take it every night before bed. And then I just have like a glass of water. I put these angels by our bed, so when we sleep we can be protected by the angels. And I would really like to fill like this whole wall with all like angels and like gold, basically like gold angel things. But this one is so pretty. It's like made of little jewels. And then I love her. She's so cute. She's like an angel baby. And it's so beautiful. It's like a gold little plaque, and then there's flowers and a bird. And this is my humidifier here. I keep this pillow because when it's turned on, there's like a light, so I like to block all the light when I sleep. But yeah, the humidifier like really helps me. My throat gets really dry otherwise, so I use this every single night. And Gerald is pretty obsessive about cleaning it, so I'm really lucky because I'm super lazy and never cleaned it before we lived together, so it's nice that he cares so much about it. I like this lamp. It's from IKEA. It's not super bright, which is nice because, again, helps with those relaxing vibes. But let me give you a view of like what my room looks like without the lamp on. The canopy gives off actually a lot of light. So if we're like hanging out in here and like trying to unwind for bed, we'll have like just that and our salt lamp and maybe our candle on. Whenever I'm getting ready for bed, I just like put that on, and I have like some string lights in the bathroom too. So like after I take off my makeup, I do the rest of my routine with just the string lights so I can kind of block out the light and get into the right headspace for sleep. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my nighttime relaxing room tour. Let me know in the comments below your favorite way to unwind and get ready for bed. For me, I love to put on my nighttime lights because it kind of signals to my brain that it's time to wind down when I see these pretty fairy lights. And I like to drink a cup of chamomile and then wash my face, brush my teeth, and I am good to fall asleep. Alright guys, I hope you had a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, and good night.